Alrighty guys, here we go. We have the 2022-23 Ford F-250 coming in for some new sounds and some window tint. We're going to be doing that front windshield with a super light shade, ceramic 55. Two front windows, we're going to be doing the 20% ceramic to match the factory. We're not going to be doing the back. Normally I would recommend it. It's going to help you out a little bit better. And we're also going to be doing a full audio system installation. I'm going to give you guys the rundown on what we're going to be using, all that good stuff. So we're using all Kicker product. Kicker. Here we go. So we got the two 10-inch subwoofers, Comp RT. We have the epicenter custom box that's going to fit right behind that seat. 5-channel amp, LC6 to use the original radio, along with the bass knob, 6.5 and 6x9 components for the front and rear. So we're gonna go ahead and get this going. We're gonna remove all the door panels to see what kind of adapters we need for this truck, and then we're gonna go ahead and start on removing all the back seat to see if that box is gonna fit. If that box doesn't fit, I'm gonna get another box that I have that's gonna fit in here, and we might be able to put some 12s in it. But let's get started on it. Oh, this is the power wire we're gonna be running. The good stuff, so stay tuned.